Hey guys, sorry, but I thought I was recording and went ahead, but I wasn't, so I kinda went ahead without recording, but only for 3 steps, like 2 steps. I thought it was gonna be 3, but it was only 2. Just pretty close. Well, this is my Nuzlocke. Like I said in the first one, I'm only doing 2 rules. The nicknaming rule and the death rule. I'm not doing the catching the first Pokemon rule because that means I won't be able to catch legendaries, Pikachu in the Viridian Forest, and well, all that kind of stuff. Otherwise, I'm following the first main rule and one optional rule. I'm not following the second main rule. Answering the first rule and the optional rule. 1 second. I need to have a drink of my Fanta, my refreshing drink from the heaven. That's a big orange stuff thing you drinking thing. Well, it actually matches because the top of Squirtle's flames are a bit orange, which matches Fanta. Yeah. And one of the main reasons I want Pikachu from Viridian Forest is because of the rivalry. Actually, that's a side reason. I want Pikachu because I just like Pikachu. But a good reason, which I thought of just now, is because Squirtle is water type. Pikachu is electric type. You picked it on Pokemon. Why don't you put it back on the desk and take Bulbasaur? That'll be a lot easier than me. That is the worst in the world. OMG goodness. And guys, I might do light platinum if you guys want me to. I'm not sure if you want me to or not. Oh yeah, I just remembered something that sucks. We don't get our running shoes till, well, we don't get them till Pewter City. Oh yeah, and in this Pearl version thing, there's that part where you have to, I forgot the name for it, but in Pewter City, right on the way to Mount Moon, but there's this place where you can catch Mew. So yeah, that'd be a lot more cool if it was in this. Wait, was it in this? Tell me in the comments if Mew is at Pewter City if I don't reach it first. As you guys know, well, I used to be able to do this, but I can't anymore. I can no longer post videos longer than 15 minutes. So once I get a Viridian City, I'm gonna pause there and